It functions to prevent a chattering noise when fluctuations are transmitted to the transmission. The shock from engaging the clutch while accelerating is absorbed by torsion springs like this one. The cone springs, friction washers, and friction plate function to quickly stop the torsion springs from vibrating, reducing both noise and vibration. During engine braking, the torsion springs are compressed in the opposite direction compared to when accelerating to absorb the shock of deceleration. When driving at a constant speed, fluctuations in engine revolution are absorbed by the torsion springs and friction washers. This reduces the amount of chattering noise transmitted to the transmission and the differential gear. Let's take a look at important points to remember when replacing a clutch. When ordering a replacement clutch, it is necessary to check the vehicle's model, the year the vehicle was made, and the type of engine. This will ensure that you order the correct replacement clutch. The clutch is a very delicate component. If the clutch disc is even slightly damaged or deformed by mishandling, it will come into uneven contact with the flywheel or the pressure plate, preventing the engine torque from disengaging. The clutch cover must also be handled with care. If it is dropped, the clip could become bent, impairing disengagement performance or causing chattering noise. More severe deformation could shift the position of the dowel holes and make installation impossible. After securing the transmission with the transmission jack, pull the transmission off and lower it so that the crankshaft and top shaft are aligned along the same axis. After removing the clutch, confirm that there is no oil leaking from the crankshaft seal, the transmission, the operation cylinder, the master cylinder, or the clutch booster. Confirm that there is no wear, patterned wear, or thermal distortion of the flywheel surface where it comes into contact with the clutch disc. If any of these problems are seen, replace the flywheel with a new one or repair it by grinding the appropriate surfaces. The release bearing must always be replaced with a new one. Confirm there is no grease leakage or damage and that the bearing turns smoothly. Some clutch covers are pull type, and you can disengage the clutch by pulling the diaphragm spring. Exidy pull type clutch covers employ a snap-in mechanism for extremely easy removal and bearing replacement. Finally, confirm there is no end float in the top shaft and check the teeth for wear.